we are going to discuss a very, very important topic. And first, I wanted to explain a little bit about why this topic is so important, and it's very close to my heart. There are a lot of experts of machine learning, building models every day for a living. I'm not going to compete with them. Okay. I gotcha. Okay. But a very, very high level overview of what machine learning is in context of gender bias data, or in general bias in data, and why it's important, right? So very succinctly, in my view, what machine learning is, right? So for the longest time, we have been using statistical models. Policymakers use statistics to determine whether to invest in early childhood education or not. You want to know how many people eat fast food at McDonald's throughout the world? There is a statistic for it. And there is a lot of statistics that says classrooms with fewer children do better. So all these is based on statistics. Today we are translating those statistical algorithms into machine learning models, right? So it all depends on the data that you're dealing with. And when you deal with data, there are human biases that come into play. And according to research, there are 180 human biases. And this is a lot, and some of the biases, somebody was just mentioning before this event kicked off, how some of these biases are actually essential in decision making. But most often, we see examples where biases are not good for society at large. Most recently, in October 2018, a large tech company that we all are familiar with had to pull down its recruitment tool because it was biased against women. This is another example. Border security forces were using facial recognition technologies which refused to identify a South Asian gentleman, saying his eyes are closed. Turns out they did not consider models originating from diverse countries and diverse profiles.